To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open SEP IRA online in Vanguard Small Business. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about this, you cannot primarily open your SEP IRA in your Vanguard currently. You will need to choose a new custodian such as Essentials. Other options are also available, so you can go through it and choose one. So once you have selected one of the custodians according to your wish, you can simply tap on it and you can simply open an online account. You can navigate to the chosen custodian's website to begin the application process. You may need to create a profile and provide details like your social security number, address, and employment information. You can choose the correct account type, like when prompted, select the SEP IRA account from options provided. And once you have done that as well, you can simply complete the paperwork. Like you need to simply help establish the necessary written agreements and fund your account. Once everything is completed, you can add employees if applicable. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.